Underneath the cover is our next supercar that is now live on the website, so let's reveal it. So this is the Lamborghini Huracan LP610. It's in the Verde Mantis green paintwork. It's got a full night racer carbon fiber kit to it, including the front spoiler, side skirt extensions, and the rear spoiler. This one has also been lowered on Novitec lowering springs, so it gives us this awesome stance. On the inside, it's got these very comfy leather Alcantara factory sport Lamborghini seats. Makes it a very nice place to be, and then it's also got the classic Lamborghini multifunctional steering wheel. This is running a 5.2 litre V10 engine, pushing out 610 brake horsepower with a 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. Now the ticket price on this is just 99p. It also comes with £5,000 cash, or if you do not want to take the car, you can take the huge £100,000 cash alternative. Live draw will be this Sunday. Grab some tickets while you still can, and stay tuned for this week's video on Wednesday.